Did you know that over 80% of global trade transactions today involve the US dollar? This dominance has made the dollar the most powerful currency in the world. But what if a new player, the BRICS currency backed by Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa were to replace the US dollar? How would this shift reshape the global economy and our everyday lives? First, let us understand why the dollar dominates. Since World War II, the US dollar has been the backbone of international trade, oil pricing, and financial markets. Countries around the world hold dollars as their reserve currency, giving the US enormous influence. But with rising tensions and growing economies in the East, the BRICS nations are exploring a new common currency that could challenge the dollar's throne. If the BRICS currency replaced the dollar, global trade would face massive changes. Oil and gas might no longer be priced in dollars, but in this new currency. Countries in Asia, Africa, and Latin America could trade more freely without relying on the US financial system. For the US, this would mean losing a huge advantage, its ability to print money and still maintain global demand. For everyday people, the impact could be dramatic. Imports in dollar-dependent countries could become more expensive. On the other hand, nations aligned with BRICS might enjoy cheaper trade, stronger partnerships, and more independence from Western economic pressures. The balance of power could tilt eastward, giving China, India, and Russia much greater influence in global politics. But there are risks too. Creating a stable new currency is no small task. Differences in economies, politics, and inflation among BRICS nations could weaken its reliability. And even if launched, it would take decades to truly replace the dollar's dominance. So what would the world look like if the BRICS currency took over? It could signal the end of the dollar era and the rise of a multipolar global economy. One thing is clear, the future of money is changing, and the BRICS challenge is one of the biggest questions of our time. What do you think? Can BRICS dethrone the dollar, or will the greenback remain king?